In this video, I will show how to connect your laptop with Wi-Fi. So firstly, turn on Wi-Fi on your mobile device. Then click here and here you have to click on connect. You will get here available network. So just click on connect. So firstly, turn on Wi-Fi on your mobile. Then once you click on this internet globe icon, so here you will get the option. Sometimes if you are first time, so it will ask password. So enter the password which you add password in your mobile device for that particular Wi-Fi. So this is the way you can connect laptop with Wi-Fi. Thanks for watching.